What is going on, Ape Nation? I apologize about the lighting, but you know what? This is the best that I can do at nighttime when I'm recording in my vehicle so that I do not disturb anybody in the household, or better yet, so they do not disturb me while I'm recording. So I get a lot of questions in the comments section that make me wonder, do you guys even watch my videos? In case you don't, let me make another one that you may or may not watch, which answers some of your questions. We're going to be talking about AMC. It also applies to GME and any other meme stock that you may be holding. It also applies to other stocks in the market, or some of the content that we will be talking about is going to apply to other stocks. So you may want to pay attention. And we will get started right away. But before we do, I do need you to go ahead and smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe if you're new, because you're not going to see the truth that I'm reporting to you anywhere else on YouTube except for my channel. And that's what we got to talk about today, is the dadgum truth. So listen up. Okay, Ape Nation, so if you came here for the truth, this is exactly what you're going to get today, is the truth. So people keep asking me, well, should I keep holding AMC? Well, what's going on? Should I sell? Well, if Kenny is untouchable and blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me make this very clear. AMC, GME, they are all very, very, very risky investments. These are investments that you do not want to put your entire piggy bank into. You want to put money into other stocks, but you also want to have money on the sidelines for when bad things do happen, because when bad things happen, that is our opportunity. And I don't know how much more clearly I can say this to you guys. I've been telling you this the entire time that you've been watching my channel, if you've been watching videos on my channel. But at the same time, here's another thing that you need to know. AMC stock, GME stock, they go up and down. You don't believe me? Just take a look at the charts. What in the hell do the stocks do? They go up and they go down. Now, there's a lot of YouTubers reporting on AMC stock. I'm going to stick with AMC stock because I've been reporting on that, most of the time. I'm not really going to talk about GME much, but you can apply this to any stock that you want, because this will prove true for any stock that you're holding. But AMC and stocks like GME, especially any type of meme stocks as they're branded, this will prove mostly true for them, because there's such volatile movements, meaning large movements up and down, up and down. This is where the opportunity lies for us. But a lot of you are just thinking one way. Y'all are just one-sided. Y'all are just like, where's the MOAS? Look, you can get MOAS without the stock doing the whole MOAS thing. And let me tell you how that works. I've been telling you on my channel the entire daggone time to sell covered calls. When you do that with a stock like AMC, GME, which is very volatile, well, you see the option premiums are very, very volatile. They're extremely volatile, which means that you can make a lot of money, both up and down. Take your pick. Do both. It does not matter. But if you're holding shares, what in the hell are you doing holding shares without selling covered calls? Now, yes, sometimes bad things happen when you're selling covered calls, but the worst thing that can happen is, you're capping your profit. That's about it. But it's still better than losing half of your investment and not having anything to show for it, because you're going to sell out early because you're discouraged because the stock went down. These are stocks that do go down, and they go down a lot because they're volatile. High risk, high reward. Some of you don't understand that concept. That's what I'm seeing by reading my comment section. But if you're selling covered calls, you're not going to give a crap either way, whether it goes up, whether it goes down, because you're profiting both ways. Then you'll have more money to put into the stock. Now, I see that a lot of people are getting butthurt because I'm doing videos on other stocks. I'm trying to teach you how to make money. I gives a damn whether I'm teaching you to make money with AMC or GME or any other dadgum stock. My prerogative is only to help you make money, help you be successful in the market. So pick a stock, any stock you want. Now, we're running with AMC because AMC, there's a lot of opportunity in it. But where there's a lot of opportunity, there's also a lot of room for you to lose freaking money. That's the most simple way I can put it. And, good things happen to those who are patient and wait. But a lot of you aren't patient enough, and a lot of you aren't willing to wait. Now, there are a lot of apes that are willing to wait, but a lot of people just can't do it. You can't afford to do it. And a lot of you are, heavily using margin, which is why you're like, oh shit, what's going on? I need to drop some of these shares. I need to relieve my account because I'm using too much margin. So, and I've also been telling you guys about that. Do not be using freaking margin, okay? You're losing money without margin. How much more money do you think you'll lose with margin? A lot more. Now, I'm trying to put this in layman's terms, make it as simple as possible so that everybody can understand me, because some people on my channel don't even know what the hell margin is. So, I'm trying to keep this very, very simple for the smooth-brained, because I do realize that we're apes. A lot of people are new investors. This video is for those new people, okay? This stock may not be for you if you do not understand how the stock market works, and if you do not understand that you just need to hold, and if you do not understand that sometimes you may look at your account and be like, holy hell, I'm down 30% on my investments. That's perfectly normal sometimes. Right now is one of those times. And let me tell you the ugly truth that other YouTubers will not tell you. Okay, you may see AMC stock go down more than you're seeing it go down right now. It may go down a lot more. If you can stomach that, then it's okay to hold. But if you do other things other than just hold, if you do other things that make you money while the stock is going down, then you can use that money to put back into the stock, to own more shares, to then later on be able to profit from that. And that is simply all that I'm saying. That is what I'm trying to teach you. But you guys are running around watching these other YouTubers, and I can tell you the pattern right now. On Monday, oh my God, it's gonna explode. On Tuesday comes around, oh my God, Ken Griffin manipulated the market. It'll explode on Wednesday. Oh my God, look at this data. Look at these numbers that are not accurate any damn way in the first place, because none of the numbers that we have are accurate. That's what I've been preaching on my channel the entire damn time. That's the irony of the entire freaking situation. None of the numbers, none of the data that we have is relevant, because none of it freaking matters. These other YouTubers that you're watching that tell you all this fancy pantsy stuff, why the hell does it matter? Okay, either you hold until the dadgum thing happens, or you don't. But we can't tell you when the damn thing will happen. It'll take some time. And I can tell you right now, market situation right now is not very favorable. The stock market is kind of like bearish a little bit. Stocks are going down, but it's only the speculative stocks. Then you got your YouTubers that are like, oh, negative beta. AMC has negative beta, so, it's a hedge against the entire market. Bull spit. I'm an AMC supporter, and I'll tell you right now, okay? You are not fixing to hedge the bad market situation with AMC stock, because the negative beta only applies to stocks that are trading within their fundamentals. Do you think AMC is trading within their fundamentals? Heck to the nah. No, AMC stock is not trading within its fundamentals, so the negative beta does not apply. But a lot of YouTubers, they're not financial advisors. They cannot figure this stuff out because it's just too complex, too complicated, and they're just feeding you full of crap, saying, oh my God, it's about to explode. Maybe one day it will. Maybe it won't. That's the risk you're taking when you're holding a stock like AMC, and that's what you got to be prepared to do. And if you're not, you're messing it up for the rest of us, because you're going to be one of the ones with toilet paper hands that's letting the stock go and working against us, which is why I'm making a video like this where I'm speaking against the stock that I'm holding, because I do not want apes, semi-apes, baby apes working against me. Okay, I'm a true, real ape. I'm holding the stock, but at the same time, I'm no dummy. I'm doing things to keep adding to my position to where it's not costing me anything. The stock can go down and I'm happy with it. I'm like, hell yeah, it's went down again. I'm not looking for a MOAS anytime soon. If a MOAS happens tomorrow, hell, I'm losing so much damn money because I don't have enough shares yet. I want thousands of shares. I want hundreds of thousands of shares. I want millions of shares. I don't give a crap how long this thing takes. I'm in this to win this. I'm in this for every single dollar that I can get out of the hedgy mans. I'm not in it to get, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $100,000, $200,000. I'm in this to become filthy, rich, and have as many bananas as I want to eat every single dadgum day. I want to be able to eat 1,000 bananas a day. Are you with me? Do you want to eat 100,000 bananas a day? then pay attention. If you would like 100,000 bananas a day, even more than that, you've got to keep adding to your position. What better way to do that than to use options? And I know a lot of you don't know nothing about options. A lot of you are like, oh, well, hell, I'm a new investor. I don't know anything about options. I don't know how to do it. Quit whining. Quit complaining. Go out there and learn how to do it. Okay? These are tools for us. These are our resources. You're trying to beat Ken Griffin, and you don't even know how the hell to use options, and you're whining about it? You think Ken Griffin is some little weak-ass dude out there that doesn't know what the hell he's doing? He knows exactly what the hell he's doing. You think you're going to beat him being a whiny baby? You better get onto your A game and get that shit going. Because Ken Griffin ain't playing with you. Are you playing with Ken Griffin? It ain't going to turn out well. You better wake up